What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save how to turn a girl on over text. One of the best approaches to play with ladies and make sexual strain when messaging young ladies is confusion. The thought here is to accept the young lady you're messaging is pulled into you and is effectively hitting on you. Turning the tables this way and accepting the young lady is pursuing you and considering you enables you to turn the discussion with the lady sexual in a fun and energetic way. Here is a case of how to content young ladies utilizing confusion. Her, alright, you are genuinely the best. Would I be able to keep you? Reaction, like in an enclosure. Prob, not in cuffs for a night perhaps. Progressively lively, being a tease procedures ladies love. Another fun method to bring sex into your discussions with ladies in a lively, non-obtrusive way is the how about we do it content. Like confusion, this content accepts that the young lady can't resist the urge to consider laying down with you while you are simply attempting to have a blameless discussion. The following is a messaging case of what the how about we do it content to a young lady may resemble. Her, would you say you are allowed to hang out Thursday? Reaction, we should do it hang out, I mean not sex. Carrying sex into your discussions with ladies in a clever manner like this opens the entryway for the young lady to play along as well. You may be shocked how rapidly your writings with a young lady can raise in the wake of utilizing a line this way. Utilize sexual insinuations when messaging young ladies. One more approach to carry sex into your discussions with ladies and energetically play with ladies through content is to utilize sexual insinuations. These are incredible jokes to writings young ladies as they show ladies you are agreeable around the subject of sex, which enables her to be alright with it as well. This may take some training, yet realize that the more you utilize sexual allusions, the simpler it progresses toward becoming to spot them. Certain words and expressions will in general loan themselves to sexual insinuation effectively. On the off chance that this is another idea for you, here is a model from the course book on the most proficient method to content young ladies utilizing sexual insinuation. Her, 7 creeps of snow today, insane huh? Reaction, 7 inches is very satisfying I hear. Her, ha ha pleasant. The following stage in turning a young lady on through content. The fun-loving being a tease systems referenced above are incredible for getting the show on the road. However, to truly turn a young lady on over the content, you'll in the long run need to move past jokes and sexual chat. Sooner or later, you have to step up and possess your very own sexual want for her. When you need to completely turn a young lady on over content, start by advising her precisely how she affects you and what you need to do with her. Communicating your craving like this demonstrates the certainty ladies need in a man and lets her know it's alright for her to express her own sexual wants to you. So to get a young lady turned on over content, let her know the emotions she moves inside you. The secret to expressing your wants that guarantees you won't seem to be unpleasant to ladies is to have the correct outlook when messaging young ladies. Keep up that feeling of stunningness and thankfulness for the lady you're messaging. Keep in mind, it's not about you and what you can get from her. It's progressively about sharing the sentiments of fervor she motivates inside you and getting her turned on. That thankfulness stunningness blended with your very own carnal want is the impenetrable equation for how to turn a young lady on over content. Get her to open up explicitly. A young lady may feel awkward getting sexual with you through content, particularly on the off chance that she doesn't have any acquaintance with you. Great. She will be less disposed to open up explicitly if she's stressed you may pass judgment on her, or yak to your companions about the personal things she said that were implied distinctly for you. To demonstrate to her it's alright to open up, you need to acknowledge of anything she says once the discussion turns sexual. On the off chance that she is explicitly unreliable, acknowledge that piece of her. On the off chance that she is into wild, freaky stuff you never would have thought of, acknowledge that, as well. You don't really need to like or concur with her dreams yet. You can even now invite them, approve them, and enable space for her to have those musings and sentiments without judgment. Another approach to enable a lady feel great opening up explicitly is for you to open up and share your very own sexual advantages or dreams first. By venturing out, demonstrate it's safe for her to tail you down this street. It can likewise get her to feel as though it's her turn to share her own considerations and sentiments around sex, and urge her to open up to you. Picking the correct words. When you are communicating your sexual intrigue, want, and dreams, it's essential to utilize elucidating language. Only saying "I need to kiss you" can be a flat, dull proclamation. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you start advising a young lady how you need to stick her against the divider, slide your hand under her tight shirt and delicately pull her hair back as you snack on her neck. That is going to pack more punch. The key in utilizing illustrative language to turn a young lady on through content is to truly portray the scene. Use detail, be explicit, and put a reasonable picture in her mind of what you two could be doing together. Being graphic like this will help her vibe as though she is entirely that position. On the off chance that she can strikingly observe herself in that circumstance, she'll begin to feel as though it's really occurring. What's more, she'll become increasingly turned on